Meanwhile, the week-long Brigada Escuela was reported a success. The cleanup campaign is held annually and is participated in by school officials, students, parents, and the local government units, among others. Added details in this report.
The Department of Education's Brigada Escuela has been successful. In Ernesto Rondon High School in Quezon City, parents, students, the local government unit, and non-government organizations have worked hand in hand to clean and repair classrooms. All those who have participated have been given a certificate and a special recognition.
This is a highly spirited activity because of the efforts without any token coming from the school to give back anything or give or donation of payment for them. Nakita namin yung kanilang eagerness, lalo na yung grade 7. Dahil siyempre pag grade 7 ka incoming, nandun yung sinasabi nating excitement.
According to Dr. B1, the school's principal, they are prepared for the incoming school year 2015-2016. Aside from maintaining the cleanliness of the schools, the construction of a 4-story school building is ongoing. It has 12 classrooms and a multi-purpose hall to accommodate students, especially that the K-12 program is implemented.
Yan ay grade 11. Ang problema naman sa grade 12, meron na mga plans ang ating bagong superintendent, si Dr. Go, na plan A, plan B, plan C, kung hindi na yung global market na yan to teach for the senior high school.
They are also taking steps to assure enough chairs and books for the expected 4,000 students on June 1. Meanwhile, the school's teachers have called on students to maintain cleanliness.
Matutunan nila kung paano panatilihin at alagaan yung mga lahat ng kagamitan ng eskwelahan. Kasi siyempre, yun ay tuloy-tuloy naman na ginagamit, pati yung mga susunod ng mga estudyante.
Maging maayos sila sa classroom nila, parang ituring nilang pangalawang bahay talaga na dapat kung ano yung pag-uugali nila sa bahay na dapat kung sarili mong pumamahay, dapat matuto kang mag-ayos. Di dapat pag nandito rin. Ganun din. Kasi mas masarap mag-aral kung maayos yung paligid.
Rondon High School also hired additional guards. They have coordinated with the police for the student security.
We will give you the best security and protection. And she has given us all the directives in order to give you the opening, which is, I know that the grade 7 are excited.